Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we would be continuing discussing our top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss question which is zigzag conversion. So let's see what this question states. So this question states that the string PayPal is hiring is written in zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. You may want to display this pattern in a fixed font for better legibility, and then read line by line. Write the code that will take a string and make this conversion given a number of rows. So this is the given string, and then we have to print this PayPal is hiring in zigzag pattern and in 3 rows, and then we'll get this output string. Similarly, for this second example, for PayPal is hiring, if number of rows are 4, then this string will change, and if number of rows is just 1, then we will just return the string. So here, like, let's see this example. So how we are writing for numRows equals to 4. So we are writing PAYP. So first we are going down, then we are going up, ALI, and then we are again going down, SIHI, ISHI, and then RIN, and then down. So first we are going down, up, down, up, down. So in this way we are going, and 4 rows we are going, and finally we are printing our answer as first PIN, then ALSIG, then YAHR, and then PI. So in this way we are printing our answer. So let's go to the explanation of the solution, how we'll do. So suppose this string is given only PayPal is hiring, and number of rows are given as 5. So how we'll write is PAYPALISHIRING. So in this way we will write, and here I have written each and every index. So you can see that 0th index and 8th index are coming here. Now again here, like, when if this string would have been bigger, then here 16th index would have come. So we can see that difference between each and every index would be 8. So we am writing 8, 8, 8, 8. This is the difference. Now for second row, if we see, like, the first index is appearing, then 7th index is appearing, then 9th index is appearing. Similarly here, like, if this would have been extended up to this, then 15 would be appearing. So first difference is 6, then 2, then 6, then 2. So again we are writing here 6, 2, 6, 2. Similarly for third row, here the difference is 4, 4, 4, 4. So we are writing 4, 4. And again here the difference is 2, 6, 2, 6. So 2, 6, 2, 6. And at last row again the difference is 8, 8, 8, 8. So last row and first row are same. And for this we are seeing that difference is, first it is 6, then it is alternating difference. So the sum of these two things is 8 again. Sum of these two things is also 8, and sum of these two things is also 8. So and this first digit is decreasing. First it is becoming 6, then 4, then 2. So this we can see the pattern here. So we'll just follow this pattern and see how it looks like in our code. So first we will decrease this numRows. So for this case it will become 4 here, and n is the s dot length. So whatever the length of this PayPal is hiring is, like, n will store, and then we are defining two variables, j and flag, and then we are also defining our answer, which we will finally return. And if we are checking if number of rows is equals to 0, means initially number of rows was 1, so we will just return our s. Otherwise we will come below and we will start iterating our loop from numRows 0 to numRows to 0. So we will go from 4 to 0 in our case. So we are checking for two cases. Like, first case is when it is equals to 4, so when I equals to numRows, and when I equals to 0. So I equals to 0 is the last row. So in these cases we just need difference is 2 times numRows here, because for 4 it is 8. If it would have been 5, then it would have been 10. So these two cases we will handle separately, and other cases will come into else part. So if I is equal to numRows, then we will set j as 0, and we will loop it while j is less than or equals to n, and we will increment j value by 2 into numRows. Similarly for I is equal to 0, means the last row. Initially j will be numRows, so it will be at 4th index. So 4th index from it is starting, and we will increment j value by 2 into numRows. So this is also covered. Now the last case is left, in which we will have alternating patterns. So first 2 6 2, so these 3 rows are remaining. So initial j would be numRows minus I. So suppose I is 3, then it would be like j would be 4 minus 3 1. So 1 I would be this j would be 1, and initially we would set flag as 1, and we will set while j is less than n, then we will add it to our answer. And if flag is 1, initially it would be 1, then we will increment it by 2 into I. So I is 3 right now, so it will be incremented by 6. And if flag is 0, then it will be incremented by 2 into 1, that is 2. So it will be alternating, and we will just flip the value of flag. Like if flag is initially 1, then it will become 0. If it is 0, then it will become 1. So in this way we are adding the answer, and finally when it will come out of the loop, then it will return our answer. So this is the case, and it should be working fine because this is an optimal solution. So let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem description and problem link in the description of the video. So stay tuned for more such top into 150 series of questions. We will be discussing all the questions one by one. So till now we have covered the questions up to zigzag conversion, and in the next class we will discuss find the next of the first occurrence in a string. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel, like my video, and yeah, thanks and have a nice day.